What's up guys, Johnny here. Haven't done a video in a while because I've been out finding me properties. Started going from stock investing to real estate investing because why? All the smart people, rich people, that is what they do. They buy real estate with 10% down, sometimes less, 3.5% down. Why? Because they know when they use 3% down on an asset, they control 100% of that asset. That's what makes it so great. See that little building up there? That's where I've been staying the last couple of days because I've been searching for cheap properties. Now there's properties in my area as low as $60,000 and as high up as $500,000 and everything in between. So I've been spending some time scouring this city for that right property, for that right one to move into. And all it takes is for you to use some time off to get those deals done, find those properties, so that way you can start making money and controlling more equity on positions that are bigger. Because let's face it guys, stocks, you could put $100,000 in stocks, make 4 to 10% a year in appreciation or dividends or combined with both. Or you could take $10,000 and control a $100,000 rental property, rent it out for $1,000, all said and done, repairs, capex, vacancy, all that. You still might be able to put $300 in your pocket a month, times 12, that's $3,200 a year. But you do control the property, never have to sell it to make money, because you have money through rent. And yeah, I mean, there's some companies out there and some stocks out there that you could perform well and you could do great things. I mean, I've had positions where I've had 30%, 100% profits within a couple of days and a couple of weeks, couple months. But what you really want is to be able to make those profits, be able to refinance your property once the appreciation goes up, or you fix it a little bit, and then you're able to keep it, refinance it, leverage the money you put in, say the 10 grand, pull the 10 grand back out, which was your original investment, own the property still, and move on to your next deal. With stocks, you can't do that. With stocks, you buy and sell, you're out. You don't get to earn anymore. Now what you could do is you could put 10 grand into the stocks, let it go up to 20, 30 grand, and then pull your initial investment out. But how long is that going to take you, right? Food for thought, guys. 7 a.m. Beautiful, beautiful morning here in, let's just say, New Mexico. I'm going to be venturing between New Mexico and Colorado to find great deals, and then I'm going to start going down into Texas eventually. So I'll have some in-state properties and some out-of-state properties as well. But hope you guys enjoyed. Those are some of my future plans. For all of you interested in a video on Vine Therapeutics, I'm sorry, I've been trying to make a video on it. There hasn't been a lot of news lately, but yesterday or the day before there was some recent news out on some new clinical trials. So I'll put you guys up to date as soon as I can on that. Guys, this is Johnny at Financial Freedom on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed, and if you don't know much about me, Google me so you can bring up my Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn account, and many other accounts that I am on. Alright, I'm also have a podcast that I'll be trying to convert these videos into podcasts and trying to reach more of you guys out there and let you guys understand, let you guys know that nothing is out of our reach. We are capable of more things than we think we are. And I want you guys to know that. You can do anything you put your mind to, Nothing is ever out of reach. I mean, God, we have people racing for the space race. The space race is happening. People are going up to space. Richard Branson went up to space. Jeff Bezos. Now we're just waiting on Elon Musk, guys. Come on. If they can go to space, we can wake up. We can make a couple of deals. We can make our financial independence better. We can make it possible for financial freedom. So let's start today. Let's make a promise. Let's make an act. Let's make a resolution to ourselves right now, today, that we want to change, that we want to do better, and that we want to grow and learn from anyone and everyone we can. And I hope you guys have a great day.